Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to today's vlog, a very special. And guys, I thank God for the gift of life. So it's all morning over here, as you can see outside. And right now, guys, I was coming live and from my house here. So technically, guys, today it's another videos, and actually, on today's videos, it depends how I'm flow with vibe. So anyway, guys, in case you missed my video and you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe to my channel, share my videos, comment, and also tell your friend. Let's support Hello Baby Official by watching my video, guys. And technically I was waiting this for the long time, but today I'm trying to make it. Man, I'm so proud of myself. And actual, guys, you will know. And technically right now, guys, I have that clothes for I was keeping right there, guys, and actually I'm trying to look that man and her and his wife, so actually I can give them some clothes, guys. So probably when I came from Migori, I'll give the clothes for their kids. Wow. So actually, guys, how birds right here, they're making noise on these trees here, right there, guys. So I didn't understand, but when you have birds around your compound, man, that is blessing. That is blessing. My sister, come and say hello. Come, guys. My sister wake up right now. Say hello.
Hello.
Yesterday night moods, guys, and my mama, she was milking. Mom, come we say hello, guys. No more hide. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, my mama, she was milking the cow. Mama, I have clothes for that guy who's when you're for the baby. Nikuonesha nguo zao nilinunua jana. Acha nikuonesha. Guys, I'm telling my mama, yesterday bought some clothes for my neighbor. Like, it's not closest to my neighbor, but it's a far distance. When I passed there with a motorbike, and my mama should have already known. So mama, let me give you that clothes. Maybe, guys, my mama can keep the clothes, guys. Sorry, I have this and this, guys. Sorry for the lights. Sometimes you understand me. Okay, mama, this is the clothes for that. You can check, mama, and then you keep it. Put down here. You can check everything. So because he has the boy, so that's the jacket for the boy. So that's the jacket. Hata kwenye tu January Jumatatu. Mama, you can put it because it's clean. Mama, do like this. Unashika moja moja. Yeah, that's the shirt for that boy. Yes. She has a girl. So I bought for her. That's for girl. That's for her girl. And this the sweater for her girl because of the cold. I love that girl a lot. For her girl. For her girl. For her boy. For his boy, guys. That's for the boy, mom. For their boy. And guys, at the same time, I'll take them on a Christmas day for their boy trouser. At least I manage them for their boy. For their boy. And mama, you can keep it. So I'm trying to find them. When I get them, I'll give the clothes. Because I feel so sad, maybe, guys, when I have maybe like I have I have 2 pair of shirts. Why could share with other people who doesn't have the shirt, guys? I mean, like that. So you just, mama, keep it. When I found them, I will give. But I'll try today to look them again. Like yesterday, the whole day I looked them, I didn't find them. I don't know where they migrate to. You see, guys, I'm not blagging things, and maybe people think, oh, yesterday you went to the market, you buy clothes, and you didn't show us. I showing you, and my mom should keep that clothes. Yeah. And that one, put them. You can go and keep it, ma'am. That's a heavy jacket for the cold. Because I realized that the small boy, they don't have jacket, like even men. They were being but I wanna say sorry for this. I feel so sad when I see maybe a young boy. Actually, he was my brother from another mother, so he doesn't have a sweater, and it's cold, it's raining season. So I'm trying to purchase sweater for their boy and sweater for their girl, guys. So mama, go and keep it. The time when I came with him here, maybe when I found him, I'll let you to know. Mama gave me the clothes. Yeah. So that's my African mom. Actually, I give my mama for the sake when I'm not at home here. Even I can release my mama or around my mom. When they found him or her, they can give the clothes, because sometimes when shika vizuri maziwa. Sometimes, guys, when I left home, I went through all the day and then I came maybe so late. But probably I will make sure today and tomorrow I will found them. But today I will found them. And oh, guys, sorry. And guys, on Christmas Day you will see, guys. I hope maybe some small restaurant here and there, they'll be open, and then I'll take them to the restaurant. I don't want to take them in a small kibandas, no, guys. So maybe they can eat fish, they can eat mandazi, chapati, yeah, like gete kana gutuna. So mukimu. Wow, guys, I was talking with my mama, but so hey, wake up, maziwa. That's my sister. Wow, guys, let me take you outside and to see what is going on there. I'm telling you, have the birds here making noise here and there. Wow. You pick up siji kuangukia. Acha tuzime. Unajua utakuja kuangukia. That's my cousin right there. Guys, I'm telling you, we have birds here. They are making noise. They're making noise. Guys, I'm telling you, but it's a kind of a blessing. Not a kind, it's a blessing automatically. Look. They are jumping from one tree to another. Look. My brother, come and say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
For example,
yes.
When I give you like 50 Canadian dollar, what you going to do with that money?
That money, I will invest them. So that
like I give you to use as an example when you open the school.
No.
Canadian money is not a lot of money. 50 Canadian. Like it's around 4,800 there.
That is enough for me to invest.
And then, what if when I give you 100 USD? What we are going to do with that money?
100 USD in Kenya's money is how much?
It's roughly 12,000.
The same thing, I will invest them.
By using what? Investing in which way? Yeah, we have a lot of things to invest. In which way?
I can invest in the shamba, or I sell something like mitumba.
Okay, mitumba is a second-hand clothes, guys. And remember, this season, if you plant maize, remember that you have some a lot of money. Maybe to put somebody to dig your land. You know. So like last time, my mama struggled here and there, and you buy fertilizer. I'm telling you. So you just to go. But I have something special for you. Maybe on Tuesday, you will enjoy it. Oh, you will enjoy it. But I hopefully this week, you and my brother, you're on target. I have some special gift for you. Wow. Because after this, the school will be reopened soon, guys. So I was talking about the birds. But anyway, guys, I'm trying to challenge my brother. For example, if maybe I give him like, let me say $100, like 50 Canadian dollars. So guys, I'm using that technique, but I didn't have right now here. Like, I'm trying to challenge him. For example, right now when I give him the money, what is supposed to do with that money? So they told me he can invest in another way, maybe selling like second-hand clothes, maybe invest in shamba. When we are talking in shamba, guys, or the garden or the farm, it means this one. So they can invest maybe by planting maize here and there. This is the maize, guys. There's a maize corn here. You see? And it's for my neighbor. And the crazy thing about I myself, I built these toilets at the boundary. So when you see these trees here, the toilet is on the boundary. So where I'm standing right now, where you see my leg, it's the boundary. So maybe in future guys, not now, in future, like when I want to build the perimeter wall after everything have been done and my mind settled down, like I would run like this way up to my mama dream house, and then I would go that way. So this toilet maybe in the future will be the part of our compound, inside the compound. So maybe at night people they can use, you know, by that time. For meanwhile, for right now, it's just like an open, you know. So but our compound is not like too much big, you know. Hey, this bird. I hope when my camera could zoom, guys, I could show you. But right now, look. I hope you see them. Look. On these trees we have, on other trees we have. Everything. Look even here. Look. But anyway, guys, on today's video, that being said earlier, I was waiting this for the several time, and actually, guys, I'm going to buy a Lota wife right now. So every month I wanna pay $40 every month, because sometime when I wake up in the morning, like when I'm going to upload videos in my neighbors and it's far a distance from here, sometime I came when it's too late, you know. So probably let's do it. Let's do it, guys. But I'm trying to run out of that maybe birds, because they're making noise here and there. So what I'm going to say, guys, like I was struggling a lot, you know. Let me say 1 year, like from the month of I think from the month of August, I went like going to my neighbor. Oh, guys. So I'll take you to my point, guys. My sister, what she was telling me today, she wants to make the hair because of the Christmas. Okay. Don't worry about money. You go. Even I think even right now you can go and yeah. Ambia mama muende msonge na kuja.
Kwa saluni gani? Sema.
Endo mwambie kwa ya Jackie. Popote tu pale.
Ya Jackie ndo nitamwambia.
Aye. Guys, my sister, she was reminding me, my mom told her that today they were not going to make the hairstyle, and I bought like, I don't know about those ladies' hairs you put and then you fit on your head like that way. So they're supposed to do right now, because from now we have a day after tomorrow. You hit on a Christmas day. So what I'm talking about, guys, is I was struggling uploading video here and there. Sometime I came so late at my home, and my mama told me, oh, right now it's too late, it's too night, like that way. But God is good. I'm going to buy the loot wife, and every month I wanna pay $40. At least that one I can upload video 24 hours. I'm online, and I will look for charge for the chargeable looter Wi-Fi. Actually, sometime like in my home we doesn't have like off-grid solar panel. We didn't have, and when I went there, I will ask them to give me chargeable looter Wi-Fi, because when I went to Nyabohanse, I will charge when it's full. I will come back home, I will use it. You know, in other way, at the same time when I'm in Nyabohanse, I can upload my video easily. But like, things happen in good way, step by step, guys. No pressure. It's step by step, step by step. For me, like, no more height. You know, I start shooting this video from my home, and you see where I'm heading to right now. Wow. So I came to check our cow here. That our beautiful cow. What's up? Our cow, guys, are not aggressive. You can touch, you see, you'll touch it. So anyway, guys, let me take you, we have another one. Okay, let me take you back home, and then after going home, man, you will see where I'm heading to. It's not for the first time I own my own looter Wi-Fi. Like, it's so crazy. When it's raining time, I hide on people's, like, at the back of their house. I was hiding, uploading the video, and it's raining time. But I sacrificed myself. I said no matter what, I must upload this video. But right now, I said God is good. So I get my own looter Wi-Fi. You will see. Let's go. Imagine, guys, let me show you an example what I was meaning. That for example, I went to my neighbors, or I went to my friend's home, and he has a public Wi-Fi. So what I'm going to do, I'm uploading the video. I stand at the back of the house like this, and it's raining time. I said, okay, no matter what, let me upload this video. What is happening? It's raining, and I'm still at the back of the house like this. Oh my God. But I said, it is what it is. Let me upload the video. But anyway, guys, if you work so hard, God will open you the door. Like, for me, I was working so hard, uploading the video. Sometimes I didn't have money. When I have the money, I will use my phone to upload my video. But when I didn't have money, I went to use my neighbor's Wi-Fi. But I want to say thank you so much for my good neighbor who helped me, like 2 months for uploading my video. May God bless you, and I can mention him here. So guys, go and check Follow the Boy. He was a nice guy. He give me his software for free. I upload the video as I want. Sometimes I upload inside the house when he was not around. I hang out, I upload the video. Big shout out to Follow the Boy, guys. He was a really nice guy, and he helped a lot of people in terms of uploading the video. Not only me, he helped everybody. But sometimes, guys, you understand. Well, guys, so before I head to Migori, guys, I supposed to see whether my sister heading to the salonist to make the hair, and after that I'll come to make the payment. But on today's videos, it's a surprise by itself. Actually, on this house, guys, like no off-grid solar panel, so I just like bought that Luther Wi-Fi for chargeable. So when I went to Nyabuhansi, I can charge. When I came to my house, guys, I can use it for good purpose, for uploading maybe video here and there, and 24 hours I'll be online, you know. So technically, guys, let's go. Imagine, guys, that's how everything is. And remember, it's a Christmas time, so I'm supposed to check my sister here and there. Oh man, wow. That being said, guys, it's early morning over here. We have avocado trees over here. Look, the avocado fruit, guys, very delicious, organic. Let's take you around, guys. Wow, my baby just over there. I was taking them from car wash, you know. So in the morning, it's look like so dirty here and there, but I wash them. You know, I love my bike, guys, a lot here and there. So right now it's clean. Look, you can comment in the comment section, guys. Anyway, guys, let's go. Wow, from now it's raining time, so I supposed to see where my sister heading to, guys. Amazing view. Wow, guys. Guys, I was struggling to rotate the bike, but anyway. Guys, for now, let me go and check my sister first, and then after that I'll go to buy the Luther Wi-Fi so I can able to upload my video easily. Wow. It's an amazing day, guys, by itself. So right now I'm outside, guys. I want to look for my sister with my African mom, where she going to the salonist, and actually after that I'll make the payment, guys, you know. So it is slowly, guys. Africa, the land that you love, guys. Amazing view. You see, people are collecting sand here and pour on the other side. Guys, let me show you. This is a crazy thing over here. So I have my bike, and right now it's clean. So advise me. And imagine we have people who are working in government, guys. Look, it's muddy. The water is stagnant there. This place is full of muddy. How am I going to do? And I wash my bike. So imagine, guys, look. Imagine how people are working in government, and we have poor road, and we cut tax. Imagine. They should wake up. They should wake up. They should wake up. Serious. Imagine from there going to my home, no electricity. The only way I'm coming from, no electricity. But the rest of the village, they have electricity. They have enough power. And imagine, guys, look how the road looks like. Look, guys. Even you, what are you going to do? Look, this is muddy. Look, muddy, guys. Mud. Look, there's like stagnant water. Instead, maybe the leader could build a caravan here for maybe water passing down, and the road will look good, guys. I'm really shocked, but how am I going to do? Guys? So I'll pass there slowly. When I'm going to other side, I'll start filming my video, guys. But I'm kind of a shock, guys. Honestly, I'm shocked. Me, if I could be a leader, I'll make sure that every village have a good road, have maybe enough like electricity every house, just like to empower people's life. Why not, guys? But anyway, let's do it, guys. So I'm just want to struggle how to pass there, and my bike, it's clean, guys. But that's the real life in my village here. This is where I'm coming from, but I don't want to blame each other for the case. I'm saying this, we have people who are working in government, and we pay tax every day. For example, when I came from Tanzania, when I came to my country, I pay tax when I have rice. And look the road that we have here. Look, no power. For my entire village, people live in a dark mood, like no light. Why not, guys? But we thank God, as long as we're still alive, we have good health, we eat, life continue, you know. So probably let's go, guys. So stay tuned. Wow, guys. So, but I try to manage to pass there. Sometimes, guys, I face on big challenges here and there, but I'm a man and I need to solve it. Wow. So right now, guys, where I'm heading to Nyabohanse Market. Wow! What a beautiful day, guys. Oh, damn. What a beautiful day, guys. Look, that's the maize corn over there. Oh, guys, I was buttoning my shirts because sometimes it's hectic. Let's go. Guys, I can't wait to share with you on today's video, but I'm so proud of myself because I want to buy that stuff that I was talking about. And I want to say, Mom, thank you so much. I can't mention your name. My God bless you. Abundant bless. Oh, nice perimeter wall, house, even the gate. That's the life, real life in my countryside here. Right. Let's go. This is a Christmas mood. Day of 2024, we say goodbye. We have the church here. Day of 2025, we say goodbye. Goodbye in a good way. Oh, this is the school over there. Let's do it, guys. That's rental house over there. Small business. Wow. my sister make the hairstyle for Christmas Day. Wow. Let's see. Guys, right now I'm in Nyabohans right now, guys. This is how it looks like, and for now I left my bike here, so let's go this way. I want to see my sister, guys, right now. How it's going. Let's see, and advise me on the comment section. Advise me. Let's check her. I have the clinic there, or the small hospital over there. Wow. Hi, Baggy. Okay. Guys, let me find my mom and my sister, guys, right now. See my sister right now. And the stomach. No, guys, I didn't find my mom, but I'm trying my best, guys. You know, this is how your answer looks like. Hello. Hi, ma. Wow, let me. I'm trying to look them, guys. Try to look them. Eh. Hi, mama. No kusati ogare.
Ata.
Yeah.
Ata
sati mama. Mano ogare.
Mata macho amayembe nena.
Maembe.
Amarasi nena. Mama shagatanga.
Tantora bena maembe na machungo here msipati. Lakini ako chimbe bala ndure board. Siga no renga rishirini shiringira gento. Ene sati renga mama. Have coriander, onion. Chao angu tu apa ngani bikonde mama. Chao maembe amayam. Hey. Mama, ata guru mwana maembe kaone kega.
Agairenga.
Guys, shirini. Na machunga guys shirini. Guys, I buy for my sister some fruits here and there. No go sati o gare hiri. We have carrots here. We have eggs, everything here. A small business but a well organized Irish potato. Mama nguma chono no go sati ko ringa mama.
Kawa umubire ko wanti
Wow, let's look for my sister. Wow. On the other side, guys, we have the shed here. Baby, I'm good. I'm good by the name Hello Baby, guys. Let's see. Imagine I have some fruits here for my sister. Why not? Maringumu. Nobody's there. You have the Baba shop there. Wow. Well guys, sorry for the music. Sometime I face some challenges here and there. We have the shade here. See everything government shade. Uwe. Maembe. Guchande, ngoja nione mama hapa. Nakuja, acha nione mama hapa. Nakuja mure. Uwe. Guys, I was looking my sister around and I finally found on this salon here. We have the barber shop alternate, have the salonist here. Kana hunyogi? Amangana kubage ni gomona rasuku tiga suko.
Ndabage ni.
Kana chire otamon.
Ambere ina rero. Rero.
Don't make it sesi moneshe. Chipisi hoji.
Hello.
Say hello, my sister.
Hello.
Wow guys, so finally I'm outside and I'm heading to Migori right now. So technically, let's see how it go. Yeah. Well guys, I'm keep going, and over here we have the dump site, guys. Look at this, guys, and it's smelling so bad. Woo. But anyway guys, let's go. Let's go. We following the vibe, guys. So right now guys, I'm heading to Migori right now. As I speak right now here, I'm heading to Migori. So I made the tarmac road. Wow. So first thing that I'm going to do, guys, is to fuel my bike, and then after that I will hit the road like crazy. Migori, guys. Whoa. Wow. Guys, over there, there's my Roman Catholic church. You know, that one there. So before my mama migrated to Nyabohanse, this is where we worship God here. Wow. Let's go. Hey guys, today it's a kind of a cold, but anyway, we flow the vibe. Construction material over there. Have another that one here, balanced. Balance, man. Haha. This is the tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, guys. This one here that you see. Wow. That's motorbike. It's another side. Oh. That's how we go, guys. Most of the time motorbike are very rare here, because simply because the motorbike is easy to maintain and easy to afford, things like that. Wow. Let's go. New petrol station here, known as Shell. They are being opened soon. You see over there, guys. Wow. So right now this is the entrance of Border Town. Yeah. Wow. Hey, look at that machine, guys. Woo. Kids are riding bicycle. So technically guys, this is border town. In case you're new here on today's vlog, actually this is border town. Border town. Oh man, big tractor stuck here. But this is what it is guys. Oh man. It's a Christmas mood. You know what I mean? Tuk tuk. Whoa. Wow. And over here we have police posts. I see the police there. Wow. Let's go in good way. Why not? This Christmas mood, you see clothes hanging on the way. So people buying clothes, buying food. Man, it's crazy by itself. Wow. Whoa, border town. Hey. This is border town for sure. See there, Cooperative Bank, Equity Bank on that side. And let's go, man. Let's explore border town. We explore. You see the nice clothes for the ladies other side. Wow, tall building, man. Whoa. You see construction everywhere. People are being constructed like crazy, man. Here and there. Look. Whoa. Total petrol station on other side. Guys, remember, I want to do my own privacy, and then I came to put some gas, and I'm ready to go, guys. Christmas mood. Hey, what a good day, guys. It's a Christmas mood here and there. Wow. Now I'm putting the gas here, so just reading there for 10 USD. Guys, this is a tractor here. See? Oh. So they carry some rubbish from one market to another. Oh, look. Oh man. And it's like we have a small safari ride here. See there. Guys, if you love my adventure, traveling vlog, comment in the comment section, guys. I'm just an adventure from one place to another. Imagine from my home, where I was coming from. I'm going to Migori, which is the white. Wow. That is it, guys. But it's so cold here. That's the reason why you buy too much of the windy. Wow. It's a crazy situation. This tractor. Oh. Let's go. Amazing view, beautiful. Riding up and stop there. Wow. Next time we're going, I'm outside. I'm riding some It's a time to ride a bicycle. People are riding. Oh, matatu. Hey. guys, it's freezing here. But, Africa is going bad. Just like me here and there, trying to make sure that my family puts up on the table, man. Wow. Hey, hey, hey. Wow. This is how Road of Africa looks like, guys. This is how it is. This is how it is. Wow. Hey. Crazy station, guys. Kids are being holding on a wheelbarrow, pushing themselves to the other side. See? I really wonder. Well, guys, I'm got the speed of 10, so that's the reason why I'm filming my video. So I'm not over speeding, guys, I'm telling you. And down here, like 100 meters apart from here, we have the bridge on this side here. Even it shows you, we have the bridge. You see that signboard? Look, that one there. Wow. Anyway, we have the bridge here, and I see the kids are being played on the other side of the bridge. Wow. It shows you. And guys, yesterday I was passing here, going to Mabera, when I was making the shopping for that two kids. Imagine. Guys, let me know in the comment section what you think about on today's video. Very, very special, and for me, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, man. I'm so grateful to be born and raised in Africa. Wow. Africa, the green nature, the land that you love. Look, guys, green everywhere. Me, I'm showing you some green vegetation, green land, you know. Aha. Hey, that's Tanzania, Japanese machine. Whoa. Look, guys, that's tricky station. Look. Whoa. Hey, hey. Maybe in Kenya here, most of people or Kenyan government, they are being corrupt. You know, the vehicle are being overloaded here and there, so no one will ask what's this. Restauranta. You know, in Spanish, the restaurant known as restauranta. Hey, restauranto or restauranta? Wow. Let's go, guys. So right now where I am, it's known as Mabera. Actually, it's a small center at large, you know. There have been like a business center here and there, you know. Wow, 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 wow. Hey, nice house, man. Man, nice restaurant. Nakwambia saidi ingine. Let's go. So right now where I am, it's known as Mabera. It's known as Mabera. This is Mabera market here. So yesterday I was in here, buying clothes right left center. Look, even right now here. Wow. You see guys, this is how Mabera known as. Wow. Guys, sorry for the music. Sorry guys. See? People are being sold maize corn right now here. Another maize corn. Aha. Oh. Let's go. Aha, that is it, guys. Guys, I don't want to vlog too much on the road, so actually stay tuned. It's so I've been running fast. So guys, stay tuned. We shall meet when I reach Migori, guys. Right now, be blessed. Guys, right now I'm in Migori, and I will show you guys tricky situation. Look. People are on a motorbike carrying their luggage on head. You see guys, right there.
uweze kupata screen protector.
Wow, they sold heavy jackets here and there. Wow guys, I hope guys you enjoy my videos to the end. Look at that one there. Wow. This is Migori, guys. Migori County. Oh. Migori County, Migori County. Hey, Audi. Whoa. They sold tents, chair. Wow. Guys, right now I'm in Migori, as you can see right now, and technically I want to buy the router Wi-Fi within here, so be aware. And I want to show the process. Actually, it's a Safaricom shop over there. So by today I'm done with the process over here, as you can see guys. So after this guys, I'm going back home. So You must have KRA PIN, contact number, and also ID number, guys. So we done process here. After that, heading home, guys. I was coming from right there, and right now, guys, I have my Lota inside here. So just like no more struggling, guys. I'm in Migori right now. Sorry for the music here and there, guys. You see right now, guys, it's time to go back home. Actually, I have my own Lota Wi-Fi, guys. KK or Tuk Tuk, that one there. And people are moving up and down because it's a Christmas season. So people went to make some shopping here and there. You know, guys, we have a day after tomorrow. I'm telling you, guys, we hit on a Christmas day. We have a restaurant there, or a restaurant on the other side, known as Florence Restaurant, guys. Wow, that's how we go. Hey, motorbike everywhere. I'm telling you. Whoa, whoa, people are on motorbike. Hello baby, official on motorbike. I'm telling you. Right here we have the car wash. That's my Mercedes-Benz bus. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wow, guys. And I'm rushing going back home. Actually, the rain is coming right now. See, guys? So probably right now, guys. Whoa, man. It is what it is. But we try to go with time. Try to go with time, man. Time is money, time is money, time is money. Whoa. Guys, if you find my video, please give a like, comment, and also share my videos to your family. So I appreciate when I got single member on my YouTube channel who are new, guys. Subscribe, click that button, guys. Show hello baby some love, you know. I'm outside, guys. Actually, I was coming from Migori, and I was purchasing my Lota Wi-Fi. So I will see maybe by tomorrow some connection, unlimited. Imagine, guys, to be honest, every month I wanna pay $40 every month, at least like that one, because 24 hours I will be online. Oh man, look, the car is stuck here. I don't know what's going on, but it is what it is. We flow it by. There's all stop on the other side. What a good day, man. What a good day, what a good day. Your son, hello baby, is outside. Imagine, guys, even in town we have maize corn. Look. Wow. I will manage to go back home, man. Crazy situation. Whoa, 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 whoa. On my entire life. But anyway, hey, Mercedes-Benz, man. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a marketplace, a local market over there. Hey, these are supermarkets here. Wow. We keep moving on and to explore. At that, guys, sometime I explore maybe so many places. I show you some new stuff here and there. Actually, guys, that's how I live. That's how I live. Why not, guys? Why not me? That's how I live, man. And I see nowadays at the local old-fashioned bike exists. Look like this kid is riding here. Omera bwana. Nango. It's a Luo. You must say Omera. Omera is like Jadong. It's like an agement or a man, you know. Wow. People are on motorbike, guys. Wow. Man, for sure, people maybe will be shocked. Like, hello baby, what's up? Like on today, I'm trying to look at a couple. Actually, I support that kids with clothes for Christmas, but I didn't get them. So guys, maybe you'll wonder, hello baby, what's up? What's going on? And you need to be understand me, guys. You know, I was looking for them here and there. Even like today, I wake up early in the morning. I didn't find them, but when I get any time, guys, I'll do it. You know, promise is a promise, and never go. But if you promise somebody, hey, old Mercedes Benz, man, old version. Look. Wow, 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 wow. An international school known as Kenya Relief. That one there, guys, right there. An international academy school. Wow. So I'm keep going home, man. I'm keep going home. Wow. That's an international school. Truck from Tanzania, guys, going to Nairobi. Whoa. Oh. Guys, let's support each other in other way. Man, I can't complain. You support me a lot by watching my video. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys, that you show me toward my channel, toward my family. I really appreciate, guys. I really appreciate. For the love and support, man. One love, guys, one love. The rain is coming, and that's how we see maybe my camera sometimes it doesn't show clear face, but I don't understand, guys. As long as I'm flowing vibe, it is what it is, guys. Wow, guys, look. Hey man, I'm shocked. Oh, I've been passing here with a heavy machine, guys. Scania, big tractor. Hey, this is Mercedes Benz, man. I'm telling you. Whoa. Wow. I wonder, guys, nowadays old version bicycle exists. You know? Wow. But this is what it is. Let's flow with vibe, man. Look. Kowino Primary School on other side. That's a school right there. And education is the best key in life. Small market on other side. Hey. Oh, guys, that being said, I'm insisting in education is the best key in life. Actually, I was supporting my family, like my young brother and sister, to take serious in terms of education, guys. Honestly, I don't want to joke with education. I will make sure that my family, like at large, my young brother and sister, who are being educated, you know. At least we can look forward, man. Wow. Let's go. Hey, today's our time of showing big machine, guys. But it is what it is. Guys, rain is coming right now. After a few minutes, it's gonna my village here, like where I'm heading to. No, like no congestion, like no jam, no more vehicle here and there. Guys, what do you think about in the comment section, guys? Am I right? Am I doing the right thing? Right decision, you know? Sometimes when I'm speechless. Oh. Guys, I'm telling you, people will wonder, hello baby, why are you vlogging on the road? Guys, I'm telling you, I'm walking beside the road. Look, when you see the white mark, you can't go beyond. So I'm walking at, I'm driving a sideway for the pedestrian side, but right now, no pedestrian here, guys. You know? So let's go, guys. Keep enjoying my vlog to the end. Subscribe, like my video. Enough love until the end, guys. Wow, big up. You know, people might wonder. People they were being wondering, guys. They were being shocked what I'm doing here. But for me, I'm just creating my own vibe. My own vibe. Guys, nowadays, whoa, I have my own Bluetooth Wi-Fi right now as I speak. I have it them, and when I go back home, I'll show you a little bit, and then I will end my video, guys. Please stay tuned, guys. More amazing videos coming from here, East Africa, Kenya.